My name is Matt Payne, and I am the co-founder and co-CEO of Prairie Surf Media. We are a 5-soundstage production facility located in downtown Oklahoma City. It's an exciting time in Oklahoma film. We were part of the initiative to pass Senate Bill 608, which raised the cap from an $8 million cap to a $30 million cap. The goal was to bring big Hollywood productions here to Oklahoma. It creates thousands of jobs. What excites me most about the Drone Festival is it's such a cool, exciting visual medium, and the idea that there's a competition around one particular piece of technology, I think, is niche and cool. And when you suddenly put that up in the sky and you add a ton of movement and music and emotion to it, it's a fun thing to be part of, and I hope to see the festival grow.
We can't wait to see you at Thunderbird Drone Festival, August 12th and 13th in Woodward, Oklahoma.